Hi guys, this is to give you guys some guidance on paragraph 5, which is on biological uses. The goal of this paragraph is to answer the question, which element is the most useful in biology, either in human bodies or the environment? Again, I'm going to use neon, argon, and xenon as my fake elements. And to demonstrate how you do this, I'm going to use xenon. So my element 1 is going to be xenon. So what is one use for this element in biology? Examples include drugs, medicine, health, plants, animals, and so on. To do this, I would focus on going to the second link here, the U.S. National Library of Medicine. It tells you a lot about how it's used in drugs, and medicine, and health. So go to that one, and this is a good source. So in the search bar, just search your element name, xenon. And then these articles are very complicated, so I would look for a title that kind of makes sense to you, like you kind of get what it's saying. It's okay if you don't know every single word. So let's see. It improves neurological outcome, reduces injury. That sounds interesting. It protects against cold ischemia. Something. Let's click that one because it kind of sounds like it could be something that I understand. So when you look at these articles, I would focus mainly on the abstract, which is a summary of the experiment. Don't read the whole thing, it'll be too much. And if you still need more information, you can read the discussion or conclusion. Sometimes it's called the conclusion. But again, I wouldn't read all of it because it's a lot. So let's see. Kind of read the abstract, try to find information. So our data suggests graft survival. What is a graft? So they're talking about a renal graft. And then maybe you can look that up in Google. That's okay if you just Google it. A renal graft. So looks like it's just a kidney transplant. So that's what a renal graft is. And the data suggests that xenon can enhance graft survival. If you don't know what a word means, just look it up. What does attenuate mean? It means reduce. Okay. So it can reduce this thing, which is chronic graft failure, DGF. So this sounds like information you want. So you copy, paste, and then in your reasoning, you probably first have to explain what the heck this is even saying. So let's start by defining the words that you had to look up yourself. So maybe you can say DGF describes chronic graft failure. And then you can say the experiment that these scientists did was to research kidney transplants. And then you can say what this is showing for xenon. The results are important because it shows that xenon can lead to maybe let's say can improve how long a kidney transplant lasts. For your MLA citation, go back to the source, click on citation, and just copy the MLA format. And you would repeat that for all the other ones. So feel free to look up words that you don't know in Google, and that can help you understand what these articles are trying to say. If you really can't find anything or anything that you understand in this source here, you can still go back to the CHS library sources. So that's still there. And it might have information that's easier to understand. So let's go to Gale again. Again, you're looking for biological, medical, health uses. Let's try xenon again. Maybe click one of these. Oh, it says xenon is used as an anesthetic. An anesthetic is something that numbs pain. So that can also be a piece of evidence. So maybe you can just paste that down here, explain reasoning, paste the MLA citation. So you don't have to use this one, but try it first, and then you can come back and use CHS. Ask me if you have any questions. Good luck.